Hey y'all, it's Brittany. So today's video is brought to you by RIRIHAIR. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Today's video is brought to you by RIRIHAIR. You guys already saw the unboxing. So with this wig, I have already washed it and it is completely dry. So when I washed it, I used the Aussie shampoo and conditioner, and then I also used the Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream leave-in conditioner. And I bought this from Dollar General recently. Our Dollar General has a pretty good selection of, you know, natural hair products and stuff. And this was like, this big bottle is 16 fluid ounces and it was like $5. So I've used it on my natural hair and I used it on this wig. To make the curls clump, what I did was I took this brush here. It's like a dupe for a Denman brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'll leave links down below to all these products. So while it was wet, like freshly washed, I still I put the leave-in conditioner on the hair and I just brushed it through and I let it air dry overnight. It actually took 2 days to air dry. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try this on. All the specs about this wig will be in the description box for you guys. So you do have a lace back here, but you guys already saw that in the unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. So it has like a detachable, adjustable strap for this wig. So I'm gonna put it back in here because when I was washing it and stuff, I didn't want to have this in there. So I'm gonna hook this back on. And it's nice that a lot of companies are starting to have these adjustable elastic bands in their wigs. Guys, so I have applied this wig and it was super easy, way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I think it was easier because I'm wearing it like all down and the only lace that's really showing is the lace up front, and even the lace at the front of the hairline is laying really flat. So I didn't use any spray, any adhesive or anything to apply this wig. I have a medium cap, and I have the adjustable elastic band in the cap, and that's really all I need. So I had my Got2b Glued Freeze Spray on standby because I was expecting to have to use that, but I don't. So I really love when wigs are very easy to apply, and especially with curly wigs. Now, curly wigs are high maintenance, but this one is short, and once you have washed it, conditioned it, and you've let the curls set overnight or whatever, you're done with the wig. So I think this is very pretty. It's a nice density. At first, when I tried it on, I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about this length on me, because, you know, I'm tall, so I prefer like bigger hair or longer hair on me. But I think this is actually really cute once I put on my earrings and everything. I think this is a cute look. And I think this is a nice curly wig for this time of year because it's, you know, it's not on your neck that much. You have some in the back, but it's not like a bunch of hair on your neck. So I do like that. But keep in mind, I think this is like 10 inches long, 10 or 12 inches. So if you're shorter than me, you're probably gonna go with an even shorter length if you want to get this kind of look. This is very, very beautiful. And with my human hair wigs, I'm gonna reach for a human hair wig that's easy to apply like this on an everyday basis, because I don't like spraying my hairline down and all that when I'm going out. That is why I wear synthetic wigs more often than my human hair wigs, because they're more convenient to wear on an everyday basis. But I could see this in my rotation because it is so easy to apply. Like nothing is glued down and it still looks very natural. So when I was washing the wig, I didn't notice like a ton of shedding, but shedding I feel is inevitable, especially with curly, kinky curly kind of wigs. I washed my natural hair and I had a clump this big, like, so, and I'm gonna say this in probably a lot of my, you know, kinky curly videos in the future. I think shedding is inevitable, and a little bit here and there is not that bad. But if you're getting like huge clumps, or your wig is starting to bald or something like that, then that's an issue. But I didn't have that issue with this wig. Also, I didn't have to bleach the knots. The knots came bleached, and I really appreciate when companies actually bleach the knots. Even if it's a light bleach, I really appreciate when they do that. So all I have to do is add a little powder to the lace, and then it looks very natural. So overall, I think this is a very beautiful wig. This is for somebody who doesn't want super long curly hair. You want that curly look for the summertime. If you are interested in this wig, head over to RIRIHAIR. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase it. If I have any coupon codes or anything like that, they'll be listed down below as well. I thank RIRIHAIR for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. And I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. Leave me a comment down below. Would you wear this wig? Are you interested in it? What kinds of wigs are you going to be wearing this summer? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.